Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the wild, wacky, and dangerous world of meme coins. You've probably heard of Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, or even Pepe Coin, coins that started as jokes but turned into billion-dollar sensations. But here's the thing, trading meme coins can be a one-way ticket to losing your hard-earned money. In this video, we're going to break down what meme coins really are, how they work, and why they are so risky. We'll also explore the psychology behind why people get sucked into trading them, the dark side of meme coin scams, and why you should probably avoid them altogether. So, whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, stick around, because this is one video you don't want to miss. Let's get into it. Meme coins are cryptocurrencies that started as internet jokes or memes. The most famous? Dogecoin. Created in 2013 by Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer as a parody of Bitcoin, it features the Shiba Inu dog from the Doge meme. It was meant to be a fun, light-hearted alternative to the serious world of crypto. But then something crazy happened. Dogecoin gained a massive following, fueled by celebrities like Elon Musk and a passionate online community. At its peak, Dogecoin reached a market cap of over $80 billion. That's right, a joke coin became more valuable than major corporations. Dogecoin's success spawned a wave of copycats: Shiba Inu, Floki Inu, Pepe Coin, and even coins like Rocket. Yes, that's a real thing. These coins often have no real utility, no groundbreaking tech, and no long-term vision. Their value? Driven purely by hype, memes, and social media trends. And that's where the danger begins. Meme coins thrive on FOMO, fear of missing out. You see a coin pumping 1,000% in a day, and you think, what if I put in $100 and become a millionaire? It's the same psychology that drives lottery ticket sales or speculative stock trading. But here's the harsh truth. By the time you hear about a meme coin, it's often too late. The early whales, those who bought in dirt cheap, are already cashing out, leaving retail investors holding the bag. Meme coins are like musical chairs. When the music stops, someone's left without a seat. And trust me, you don't want to be that person. Another factor is community hype. Meme coins often have passionate, meme-driven communities that create a sense of belonging. But this can also create an echo chamber where critical thinking goes out the window. People start believing the hype without asking the hard questions. Like, what does this coin actually do? Let's talk about the dark side of meme coins. Many are created as pump-and-dump schemes. Developers hype the coin, inflate the price, and then disappear with the money, leaving investors with worthless tokens. This is called a rug pull, and it happens way too often in the meme coin space. Cut to news headlines about meme coin scams. Even legitimate-looking meme coins can be risky. They are highly volatile, with prices swinging 50% or more in a single day. And because they are often tied to memes or celebrities, their value can vanish overnight when the hype dies down. For example, remember Squid Game token? It was inspired by the Netflix show and skyrocketed in value, only to crash when the developers pulled the rug, stealing millions. Stories like this are far too common in the meme coin world. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, which have real-world use cases, most meme coins are all hype, no substance. Bitcoin is digital gold. Ethereum powers smart contracts and DeFi. But what does Dogecoin do? Sure, it's accepted by some businesses, but its primary use case is being a meme. Without real utility, meme coins rely entirely on speculation. And speculation is a dangerous game. Remember, a coin with no purpose is a coin with no future. Even Shiba Inu, which has tried to build utility with projects like Shiba Swap, still struggles to justify its massive market cap. At the end of the day, meme coins are more about entertainment than investment. So, why should you avoid trading meme coins? Let's break it down. 1. Extreme volatility. Prices can crash 90% in hours. 2. No intrinsic value. They are built on hype, not tech. 3. Scams and rug pulls. Too many bad actors in the space. 4. Emotional trading. FOMO and greed lead to poor decisions. Instead of chasing meme coins, focus on projects with real fundamentals. Invest in blockchain tech that's changing the world, not memes that might disappear tomorrow. And if you're still tempted to trade meme coins, ask yourself, am I okay with losing this money? Because that's a very real possibility. Let's look at some real-life stories. In 2021, a Reddit user shared how they invested $8,000 in a meme coin, only to watch it drop to $200 in weeks. Another investor lost $50,000 in a rug pull. These stories are heartbreaking, and they are a reminder of the risks involved. The lesson? Never invest more than you can afford to lose. And always do your research. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Look, I get it. Meme coins are fun, and the idea of turning 10 into 1 million is tempting. But the reality? Most people lose money trading meme coins. Don't be one of them. Stick to projects with real value. Do your research and invest responsibly. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Have you ever traded a meme coin? What was your experience? Stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one.